the last package that I got before Canada Post went on strike, considering they get 21 an hour. So anyway, we'll get this video over with. So, oh, I got these. Okay. Okay, well, they're almost the same as these. So let's see. Braces. And we have 10 by 5.5. So let's compare these to these. If these would make better candidates. Okay, so they are thinner. Let's see how thin they are compared to the other one. Okay, so maybe I'll just stick with these things. And they are M3, so these things should just fit right in. Oh, there they go. Okay, so M3, M3. Come on. There we go. So we got some consistency. There's your thickness. Okay, so maybe I won't use these ones, but it was worth a shot. Okay, so we'll stick that in there. Okay, so that's the unboxing for that. So, while Canada Post is on strike, I can't order anything. They make $21 an hour pushing paper as opposed to someone working at a burger chain making minimum 16 an hour and doing lots of stock up and this and that. I'd say $21 I wouldn't complain too much about. Maybe 24 if they were getting that. That's fine. But that's my rant on Canada Post. So until then, we'll get this show on the road and we'll get on to our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit those thumbs.